back, and the theme is lamp. So first I want to, you know what, I'm gonna do a spruce table. Actually, I'm gonna make a bed, some carpet, and the pillows. And this is gonna be for the table, and then I'm gonna need glowstone, maybe? Where's the glowstone? Okay, so glowstone, and then let's do white wool, black wool, black stained clay just in case. Okay. It doesn't work. No. Don't ever do that, especially in build battle, and you want it to. Okay. Let's do pink. They're really girly. It's gonna be for the floor. No, not that low. We're gonna want wood. If I have a smaller bed. Twin size. Okay, and then here's the bedside table. Of course, the theme isn't tables, so can't make it too big. But I do want to make a big enough lamp. Sorry guys, I have a weird texture pack. No, it's sticking out too much. Wow, I have to make it one wider. Because then I have a middle, but it's gonna have to be lopsided. Well, the table's even, I'm just saying. The lamp has to make it lopsided. Will it even be fine? Like, oh no. It's not fine. Guys, I messed it up. I screwed up bad. Wow. I screwed up so bad. It's not even funny. How about I screwed up? So now it only looks like the theme was bad, because now it looks stupid. No, I want that. Oh, wow, guys, it looks stupid. Nobody will notice. Yeah. Okay. So, oh my god, that was terrible. And now I'm going on to this one. And my sound will probably be better later because I'm getting a new microphone, a new headset. So, egg. I'm gonna try to do like an Easter egg. But the clay colors aren't that pretty. I'm gonna do pink, magenta, purple, blue, yellow, green, white. Sorry if you hear that. Even if you could, that would be impressive because my sister's all the way down in the basement. I seriously have no clue how to build an egg. Wow. I'm like asking, would an egg be round by any chance? But would it be round? Like, how do I make a round egg? Something round. Like, how do the people who made Minecraft? Oh, no. I screwed up so bad on the last one. I can't screw up this bad. Oh my god. No. Oh my god, no. So it's gonna go out this way. Oh my god, no. I already screwed up bad. Oh my god, no. This way. I just wasted like 2 hours just talking and not focusing on this. Everybody's probably like halfway done. Why did I screw up this bad? I'm like just talking and then all of a sudden it just appears out of nowhere that I'm just talking and I'm saying, oh my god. It's not good that way because I'm just... Don't ever build an egg like this ever again. Why did I even make it so big? I'm just gonna go in right now. I don't care what color it is. I wanted it to look like a rainbow, but we just want to finish it at least. Because I wanted it to look like an Easter egg. But instead it looks like a big block. Is my egg horrible? I know mine is. It couldn't get any horrible than this. This looks horrific. Wow, what's this egg thing doing? Have a minute, I finished it, and now all I have to do is finish all the colors before it's over, or else it'll look terrible, especially if I don't have it at least one stripe done, like the bottom stripe or something, and it just looks really strange and weird, and I'm just talking like this because I don't. And it's a really long sentence just because I'm nervous and I only have 30 seconds to get the rest of this done. And then I'm gonna just keep going on with this sentence because it's still going. And only half of my egg was done. And then no! What did I try to do? Oh! That looks terrible! but awesome at the same time. What is this thing? What's this thing? What is this? What? What is this? Oh. No, I'm doing okay because I didn't finish. And oh, I'm doing okay because it's not very well. A stove, that's good because it's like a stove cooking. And then there's the egg. Oh, well, it's okay because the chick's supposed to be coming out of it, not outside looking at it. And what? I'm doing poop because it's. Oh, this one's okay because what are the sheep doing? What are the sheep doing? Oh, this is mine. Oh, I just want to sit at a corner. Someone voted. What? If only I could get a glimpse of their eye. No. If only I could get a glimpse of their eye. It's okay. Doesn't really have any shape to it. But it's okay, and I am going to do more vlog sort of things. Like, I'm gonna just talk about it and have content. And oh. Ah! Oh, too late. Oops, what was that? What did I just type? Also, guys, this might actually have to cut it off. I'm not sure the voting. But actually, Viking, wow. But guys, I'm actually going to end the video here. Goodbye.